Imagine you wake up one day and everything is different, but you can't quite put your finger on it. The world around you seems subtly altered, like a reflection in a distorted mirror. What if I told you that this unsettling feeling could be more than just a figment of your imagination? What if it's a sign that you're living in a different universe? Welcome to 7 signs that you're living in a parallel universe. Today we're diving into the mind-bending world of alternate realities, where the laws of physics may bend and the possibilities are endless. Join us as we explore the strange and mysterious clues that could indicate you've crossed over into a parallel dimension. Get ready for a journey that will challenge your perception of reality and leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Ever experienced a strange feeling of been here, done that? That's déjà vu for you. This peculiar phenomenon, a sudden flash of familiarity in an unfamiliar environment, has often left scientists and psychologists scratching their heads. But what if I told you that déjà vu might just be a sign of a parallel universe? Imagine this. There's a theory that suggests déjà vu could be a glitch in our reality, a momentary disruption caused by our interaction with a parallel universe. It's like a cosmic hiccup, a brief overlap of 2 realities, which leaves us with an uncanny sense of familiarity. Picture it as a fleeting connection with your alternate self in a different universe, experiencing the same event but in a different timeline. So the next time you experience déjà vu, remember, it might just be a glimpse into a parallel world. Dreams are more than just figments of our imagination. They could be windows into parallel universes. Now that's a twist, right? Just think about it. Those vivid, almost tangible dreams that leave you questioning reality when you wake up. Could they be more than mere illusions? Many researchers are playing with this idea, suggesting that our dream state might be a gateway to experiencing our parallel selves. Yes, you heard it right. Your dream of being a rock star or an astronaut might not just be a whimsical fantasy. It could be a glimpse of you in another universe where you're living that dream. And what about lucid dreams? Those dreams where you're aware that you're dreaming and can even control the narrative. Some scientists propose these could be direct interactions with our counterparts in other dimensions. Isn't that mind-blowing? So next time you're off to bed, remember that sleeping might just be our ticket to a parallel universe. Near-death experiences are often described as surreal and life-changing, but could they be more than just that? Picture this. You're on the brink of death, your heart stops, and suddenly you're floating outside your body, observing everything from a different perspective. Is it just a hallucination, or could it be a glimpse into a parallel universe? Some researchers suggest that these experiences could be our consciousness momentarily crossing over to an alternate reality. Fascinating anecdotes abound, with individuals reporting vivid encounters with otherworldly beings or landscapes, experiences that seem too real to be mere hallucinations. Moreover, quantum physicists theorize that parallel universes could exist due to the infinite possibilities of quantum mechanics. So could near-death experiences be one of those possibilities? A brief visit to a parallel universe? The thought is both thrilling and terrifying, and it's certainly something to ponder. After all, death might not be the end, but a nexus to another universe. Quantum entanglement, a strange phenomenon that defies the laws of space and time. Could it be a sign of parallel universes? Now let's delve into the mysterious world of quantum physics. Imagine 2 particles that are entangled. No matter how far apart they are, if you change the state of one, the other changes instantaneously. It's like they're telepathically connected. This is quantum entanglement, and it's real. It's like magic, but it's not. It's science. Some physicists suggest that this could be evidence for parallel universes. You see, if space and time were absolute, this spooky action at a distance wouldn't make sense. But in the realm of quantum physics, it does. It's as if these particles exist in multiple states, in multiple universes, all at once. And when we observe one, we're just tuning into one of these many realities. So, could our universe be just one of many? In the quantum world, everything might be interconnected across universes. Ghosts, UFOs, unexplained disappearances. Could these mysteries be linked to parallel universes? Picture this. A world where apparitions are not spirits of the departed, but glimpses into a parallel existence. UFO sightings instead of extraterrestrial encounters could be cross-dimensional occurrences. Unexplained disappearances might not be unsolved mysteries, but instances of individuals slipping into a parallel reality. Imagine the Bermuda Triangle, a notorious region for mysterious disappearances. Some theorists propose that this could be a portal to another universe. And then there's spontaneous human combustion, a phenomenon where people burst into flames without any apparent cause. Could this be a result of clashing with a parallel self? Meanwhile, the enigmatic hum heard in places like Taos, New Mexico and Bristol, England, is said to drive people to the brink of insanity. Could this low-frequency noise be the soundtrack of another universe, leaking into our own? The mysteries of our world might just be the secrets of a parallel universe. Ever remembered something one way only to find out it's completely different? Welcome to the Mandela Effect. This peculiar phenomenon is named after the late Nelson Mandela, who many people distinctly remember dying in prison during the 80s. However, in our reality, he was released and went on to become the President of South Africa. The Mandela Effect suggests that these collective misrememberings could be evidence of parallel universes merging or interacting with our own. It's not just about Mandela, though. Remember the famous line from Star Wars, "Luke, I am your father"? Well, Darth Vader never actually said that. Or the children's book about the Berenstain Bears? It's actually the Berenstain Bears. These examples might seem trivial, but they raise big questions. How can so many people remember the same incorrect details? Could it be that our collective memory isn't faulty, but rather a sign of something beyond our reality? Our collective memory might be more than just faulty. It might be a sign of universes almost identical to our own. Science has long been fascinated with the concept of parallel universes, and it's more than just science fiction. Theoretical physicists propose theories like quantum mechanics and string theory, suggesting a multiverse exists. Experiments such as those at the Large Hadron Collider, aim to detect particles that could indicate parallel universes. As we come to the end of our journey, one question remains lingering in our minds. Will we ever truly know for sure if these alternate realities exist, or if we'll ever come into contact with them? Perhaps one day, science will unlock the secrets of the multiverse, revealing the truths that have eluded us for so long. Until then, we're left to ponder the tantalizing possibilities that lie beyond the boundaries of our own reality.